Listen in now to B. Prasanna of ICICI Bank, who helped us decode the credit policy decision. Listen in.
Some of the market participants did expect that there would be a kind of a reversal of the monetary accommodation stance that RBI will put out, but they have clearly put it out as a neutral stance, and they have retained the flexibility to act as the situation warrant depending upon incoming data. So it is up to the market participants now to take out their own expectations of various variables and figure out whether is it going to be a series of hikes or not. So for example, we do believe that there could be another 25 basis point rate hike. RBI stayed away from giving you a clear guidance in terms of whether further rate hikes are expected, and that's the way it should be. I mean, once they did the 25 basis point rate hike, they are now shifted. They are now continue to be in a neutral stance, and they will react to incoming data. Like I said, from our perspective, I think there would be a further hike of 25 basis points. So I think RBI has retained the growth projections at 7.4 for the current year. So give or take a few basis points, we also share the same kind of projections. The fourth quarter GDP data did come out much better than what some of us expected, but that is again on the back of good spending from the government related activities. So from that perspective, I think we still need activities on the consumer side as well as on the investment side to pick up. Investment has been doing well over the last 3-4 quarters, so that should continue hopefully. The RBI, by shifting to or rather continuing with the neutral stance, have retained the flexibility to act either in August or in October, because they have actually hiked 25 basis points in yesterday's policy even when they had a neutral stance. So the presumption is that if data going forward comes much more aggressive than what they had expected, and data in terms of whether it's the CPI data or in terms of crude oil prices, other commodity prices, or in terms of GDP data itself for the first quarter,